अरे भाई साहब, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? क्या? ज्वेलरी खरीदने? ये क्या होता है, आप जानते हैं क्या? ज्वेलरी? मैंने तो नहीं सुना आज तक ये सब। कहीं आप इसे तो ज्वेलरी नहीं बोल रहे? मैं समझ गया, आप जरूर इसे ही ज्वेलरी बोल रहे हैं। इसीलिए तो हम यहाँ हैं कि तुम्हें सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन सिखा सकें। ये ज्वेलरी नहीं है, ये कुछ और ही है। आ जाइए वीडियो। Hi everyone, this is Rahul and I'm here again with a new video that is the second part of pronunciation. So we have already discussed about some of the words that we pronounce miscorrect. So here we are going to learn some more words. So dear friends, I have written here some of the words that we mispronounce most of the time. So the very first word is this one. So I think most of you always pronounce this word as jewelry. Jewelry. So this is not like jewelry. It's jewelry. Jewelry. I think it's clear to you. So now move to the next word that is like MUNDANE. So is it coming in your mind like mundan or mundane? So both of these words are also not correct because we never pronounce this word as mundane or mundane. This is mundane. Mundane. What do we say? We call it mundane. What do we call it? We call it mundane. So move to the next word or the third word, that is alarm, right? यही सोच रहे थे ना कि यही बोलेंगे। हाँ, आपके मन की अलार्म लिख देता। खुश, बट आपका वर्ड सही नहीं है। इट्स नॉट करेक्ट। द करेक्ट वर्ड इज अलार्म। The correct word is alarm. So now the time to move to the fourth one word, that is MAN. We pronounce this word as main. That is incorrect. The correct pronunciation is man. And the word MEN, that is the plural form of the word man. Like this is just singular form and this is the plural form of the word that is given above. So the man, this is called man. This is called man. The same way, the word WOMAN. Most of you, I think, always pronounce this word as woman. Woman. No. So this is not correct. Absolutely, this is not correct. The correct pronunciation of this word is woman. Woman. Just like that. Woman. Woman. I have seen a woman there in a park. I have seen a woman in a park. What I'm saying, not in park, in a park. Here R is just somewhere silent. Park. Okay. So move to the next word, that is WOMEN. So the same way as we have already discussed about man or main, the same way this is also the plural form of the word woman. This is not woman. This is women. This is women. This is not women. This is women. So now I think it's time to move another word that is here. So the sixth word is COUGH. Most of you always say this as cuff. Cuff. This is also not correct. The correct pronunciation or sound or H, cough, cough. As an example, I have a cough. I have a cough. So that's the good example to represent this word like I have a cough. So now move to the next word. In India or in rural areas, I have listened this word as coupon. Most of the people or person always say this word as coupon. So this is also not correct. The correct pronunciation is coupon, coupon, coupon. So the eighth one word is ONION. It's your time. How do you pronounce this word? I think you are pronouncing this word as onion. So let me clarify you again. This is also not onion. Sorry, it was slip of my tongue. Sorry for that. So like it's not onion. It's onion, onion or onion, onion or onion. So move to the next ninth word. So that we also pronounce incorrect. Plumber. Most of you are just going to say this word as plumber, plumber, plumber. So this is not correct. What is correct? Plumber, 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 plumber. The same way we also mispronounce the word that is THUMB. Most of you say this as thumb. Thumb is not a correct word to pronounce. We need to pronounce this as thumb. Thumb. Because let me clarify you, if there is M before B letter and before that M there is any vowel letter, so most of the time we keep that word B silent. What we keep the word? We keep the word B as silent form. So here B is silent. So I think it was the eighth one word, ninth one, and the 10th one. So I'm just going to give you again a word that I think you also pronounce incorrect. So this is the question for you. How do you pronounce this word? Let me know in the comment section and also tell me on what topic you want my new videos and till then take care of yourself and keep learning, keep practicing and always respect your elders because you are here because of them. So till then, bye. रुको 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 Also, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and like my videos if you enjoy them.